Hi, welcome back to Soft English. This is Nour, and today I want to remind you of something simple. It's okay to not be okay. You don't have to smile today. You don't have to explain yourself. Some days you feel low, you feel quiet, empty, and tired. And that's not a problem. That's being human. We all break sometimes. We all feel lost. Even the strongest people cry. You're not a failure, you're just feeling. It's okay to sit in silence. It's okay to cancel plans and it's okay to say, I'm not okay today. I'm not okay. You don't have to fix everything right now. You don't have to pretend you are strong. Healing is not a race. You are allowed to pause. You are allowed to feel. And tomorrow, maybe it will be softer, maybe you will smile again, but today, just breathe. If this episode touched your heart, follow Soft English. We will talk more, feel more, and heal more. You're never alone here. Take care of your heart and bye.